And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know feel me somehow. Tapos ulit-ulit yun. You're closer to heaven, and I don't want to go home right now. Okay? So, yan. Tapos no, ibabalik na naman kayong verse. So, ulitin nyo lang yon. So, ayan na. This moment. Tapos, this is your life. And then, pangalawa na. Sooner or later, it's over. That's why I miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think they understand that everything's made to be broken. Apat na, just want you to know who I am. Okay? So, yan. So, ganun nakadali guys yung mga chorus. After nun ay pupunta kayong interlude lang, maiksi lang. So, mga chords nandun ay B minor, A, tapos G, and then G ulit. Okay? So, ganun lang siya, no? So, instrumental guys, sa mga chords nandun ay B minor, tapos A, G, G. Okay? So, hawig lang siya sa chorus guys. Ang pinagkaiba lang ay 8 times yun na siyang gagawin. Baba. Okay? So, yan. So, enjoy sa bago nyo matutugtog, guys. Ito tayo sa next video natin. Bye!